Vanessa Murray. Let's unbox. Hey my loves, how are we doing today? Your girl is gonna be unboxing some PR packages and we are gonna do it together. Let's hydrate. This is from Fixie Beauty on the Glow Blush. Ellis Brooklyn. I'm obsessed with fragrances. Oh my god, it smells so good. Thank you, Ellis Brooklyn, for sending me this. Love Shack Fancy, the lip plumper. First, they said, try this and your lip is gonna look like you got fillers. That's what they said, not me. Love Glow Recipe. Save the snail. It says prickly pear peptide mucin. Innisfree volcanic pure clay mask. Broad spectrum SPF. Vanessa Marix. This is her new setting spray. Thank you, Paula's Choice Peptide Power Player. Touchland. Missed your way through the season. This is their hand sanitizer. Girlies and I, we're obsessed with pronounced kulfi or kulfi. Lippies. It comes in like watermelon, coconut, vanilla, chai. Got it from Sneaks. Manager actually chose this for me. So this is something I think I would wear and feel like, you know, it's me. This is from Jemmy. It sanitize and hydrates your hand at the same time. Oh, this smells really good. Ooh, is it bass in it? Oh, Sol de Janeiro limited edition perfume mist. This smells really good. Paris Hilton's new skincare line is called Paris V cleanser serum, a cream. Elise belly firming cream, lift and firm body mask. Glow Recipe, we love them and they love us too. Ooh! Love Down. This is their toner. So much for sending me this. Philosophy loves me. Ultimate Hydration powered by African Botanicals. Daily Moisturizer body wash. Pat McGrath Lab blurring under eye powder, long wear blurring setting spray. It is L'Occitane. Thank you so much, L'Occitane. Urban Decay. How you even open this one? Urban Decay for sending me this and for giving me work to do this night in breaking the bags. It was fun. Oh, Dr. Dennis Grubb. Life's unbalanced. Don't let your skin be, my dear. pH balance replenishing cream. Paula's Choice. Do more. Intense dewy hydration. Hope in a jar. Chamelo. Ooh, like the lens change color. I'm seeing blue. Is it red? Thank you. So this is from Dr. Diamond's Medicine. So this is from RMS Beauty. It's both concealer and a contour. Not Neutrogena sending me this whole. What did I do? This is Gina and Dennis are married. This is so. This winter, are gonna catch me looking ashy. I don't know what these PR people are doing, but they're doing a good job, and I love it. So Huda Beauty is heavy. A little kid in the candy store. Iconic Duo. Yeah. What? I'm busy. I'm baking. I genuinely appreciate this. This from Delcy. Traveling duffel bag, and I love the color. It's very girly. What's better than one? Two, right? Exactly. Now the two has become one, right? Thank you so much. Like, who do we think we are? Passing like enemy plane. It's from Banish Fleur, French brand. 15% vitamin C brightening serum. Huge, heavy bags. Alvaline sent me a huge bag, so let's see what's in it, babes. Yeah, this is what I tried and I was obsessed. So much Alvaline for sending me these. This is the last unboxing. It was just perfect. I know it is long, but you made it to the end, so thank you. I love you so much. Bye.